Welcome class 6 in our e-learning class. Now today we will start this chapter Panchayati Raj. As you can see, I have written on the board the chapter name Panchayati Raj, chapter number 5, page 43 of your social science, is social and political life 1. So what is Panchayati Raj? What happens after people elect their representatives? How are decisions made? Let's look at how this takes place in rural areas, that means in villages. Here we look at the Gram Sabha, which is a meeting where people directly participate and seek answers from their elected representatives. It's a special day today. Everyone's rushing to get to the Gram Sabha. Do you know why? Because the Gram Sabha is holding its first meeting after the election of the new Gram Panchayat. So, as for the first time after the election of the Gram Panchayat, the Gram Sabha is holding the meeting. So, everybody is rushing to become a part of it. The Gram Sabha is the meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by a panchayat. Underline this line. This is a very good definition of Gram Sabha. It is a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by a panchayat. This could be only one village or a few villages. So it is not mandatory that it can be only of one village, but it can also be the that means it can be the togetherness of many villages too, or few villages too. In some states, as in the example above, a village meeting is held for each village. Anyone who is 18 years old or more and who has the right to vote is a member of the Gram Sabha. This one also you will underline that who can become the member of the Gram Sabha. The answer is who is 18 years old or more and who has the right to vote is a member of the Gram Sabha. The people of Hardas village are keen to find out what their new panchayat leaders have planned for the village. Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha meeting begins with the panchayat president, who is also called the Sarpanch. Underline this one, that who is known as the Sarpanch, the president or the panchayat president. So he or she is known as the Sarpanch. And the members of the panchayat, the panch, and who is known as, or what is the meaning of the word panch? Panches, it means the members of the panchayat. So presenting a plan on repairing the road that connects the village to the main highway. After this, the discussion moves to the subject of water and water shortages. So first the meeting is there regarding this repairing of the road which connects the village to the main highway, and then they are discussing on the topic of water and water shortages. Next part. Every village panchayat is divided into wards, that is smaller areas. Each ward elects a representative who is known as the ward member. So who is known as the ward member? Each ward elects a representative who is known as the ward member or panch. All the members of the Gram Sabha also elect a sarpanch, who is the panchayat president. The ward panchas and the sarpanch form the Gram Panchayat. So who form the Gram Panchayat? The sarpanch and the panchas. They form the, or better to say the ward panchas. They form the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. The Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is also known as secretary of the Gram Sabha. Underline this one. The Gram Panchayat, it also has a secretary, and the secretary is known as the secretary of the Gram Sabha. This person is not an elected person but is appointed by the government. So this person is not elected, rather the government appoints this person. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat and keeping the record of the proceedings. So what is the work of this secretary of the Gram Panchayat. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat and keeping a record of the proceedings. What are the details? Every detail the person maintains. All the details he or she maintains. A villager called Tijia begins the meeting by saying the water problem in Hardas has become very acute. The hand pump water has gone well below the point up to which the ground has been drilled. We hardly get any water in the taps. Women have to go to the Suru river, which is 3 kilometers away to get water. So it's not a negligible or meager distance, quite a long distance, 3 kilometers. One of the members suggests piping water from the Shuru and making an overhead tank in the village to increase the supply. But the others think that this will be expensive. It's better, they feel, to deepen the hand pumps and clean the wells for this season. Tijia says this is not enough. We need to do something more permanent as groundwater levels seem to be going down every year. We are using more water than is seeping into the ground. Yes, this is really a threat for us. We are using more water than which is just seeping below. Another member, Anwar, then tells everyone that he has seen ways of conserving water and recharging or refilling it in a village in Maharashtra, where he had once gone to visit his brother. It was called watershed development, and he had heard that the government gave money for this work. In his brother's village, people had planted trees, constructed check dams and tanks. Everyone thought this was an interesting idea, and the Gram Panchayat was asked to find out about it in detail. So, at last, a conclusion was done where this idea of this building check dams and tanks and also planting trees, everyone found quite interesting, and they thought of gathering some more ideas about this, or better to say, to get more in details and then to walk or act it likewise, or just to execute it. So what is Gram Sabha? In the meeting of the Gram Sabha, so far what are the problems that are being discussed? What sort of solutions are being suggested? Everything is quite clear that you can read from here. So up to this today, and in our next class we will proceed with the next item on the agenda. Okay, bye then.